Hi there, my name's Robert. Welcome to my explanation video. I have some code up here on the right, and I'm happy to get into it with you guys. Okay, so at the top I have this commented out area for this program we were supposed to write. I've renamed the file to Rob, which is my name, you can see that up here. I have also changed this as well as the file name. I believe you have to do both, otherwise the program will not compile. And I have imported a library here in order for my color object to work. So that's what you see here in line 10. After that, I just explained this. Of course, this is mystery code so far in the course, but we just need these two, this little block right here, to get everything to work in this pane here. So here we have the main body of the code, and I can just get into describing that. We have some other code down here. These are functions or methods in Java. I code primarily in C++, and you call it functions in that language. So anyway, let's get into it. This is world W gets new world, semicolon. So here we're initializing the world object W, which we'll be using later. Same thing here, except with the turtle. And notice we're including the W into the turtle parameter. Since it needs something to be called. We need to know which world the turtle is going to be born into, essentially. So, and again, we have the color here. I'm creating a new color. I wanted my color to be black, so on a scale of 0 to 255 for red, blue, and green, I put all zeros. So for the variable I'm using here, I'm setting it to 125. If we quickly compile and run this program, we'll see what it does here. See, I have my name here written out with the turtle. So I have something called default height here, and I set it to 125. Now that is arbitrary, but I did want to keep it consistently throughout, since I wanted my y value, where my turtle is going to be starting to draw, consistent throughout the program. And you can see me calling it a couple of times, or I'm sorry, using the variable a couple of times. So let's go over, so you can see this is black here. Let's go over what this is doing. So I'm setting the color of the turtle to black. C is going to be our color. We know we're talking about the turtle I initialized earlier because T is going to be the name of the turtle. So now the program knows, the computer knows the turtle is black at this point. Line 20, we are setting the pen width to 3. I figured I'd give my my name a little bit of thickness so you could see the letters clearly. So that this will mean that that number represents in here how many pixels wide the pen will be. And we can see it if we, of course, we run it again. We can see, yeah, the name is a little wider than just the 1 pixel, just the little line here. So, okay, and we notice that I'm setting the pen width, so we know what that does. Line 21, I'm putting the pen up because I want to move the turtle without drawing, because I believe the default is that if you're just moving the turtle, it'll draw. So instead of doing that, I wanted it to move the cursor straight to this position, which now that I'm thinking about it, this could be changed to default height, since that's going to be 125 anyway. So right here we had 125 in here. I could probably use this. I can use this, so I'm going to put it in there. And that's going to be my starting position X and Y for where Rob, or my R, is going to start. So now I want to put the pen down. I want to start drawing. I'm calling a function here that I have defined, and it is below. And this function, what the program will do when it comes to here, line 24, it'll say, okay, I want to look at the create R function, and I want to do that with the turtle t that I've previously defined in line 16. So I have a parameter here that I'm passing, which is t. This will take the program down, and the computer will start reading now at line 36 here, and it'll come all the way down the screen. See line 36. See, oh, okay, this is create R. This is the method we're looking for. We know we are looking for an object of type turtle, since we have previously told the method that we're looking for a turtle. So now we can work with the same turtle. We can pass it to this method, and this method will know what to do. It'll know what t is. Without this, we wouldn't know what t is. This doesn't necessarily have to be t. This could be any letter, as long as this, this is being passed. This information is being passed, respective to the same parameter. In this case, we only have one parameter, so it's going to be t here. So the turtle's going to go, and it's actually going to, at this point, I think the default angle for the turtle to be drawing it's going to be up. So this will